Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the UK. This is a box of noodle samples from Mr. Lee's Noodles. Let's crack this open and check it out. So I was contacted the other day by Kasia over at Mr. Lee's in the UK, and she mentioned that these products were going to be available soon in the US. So I thought, hey, can I have some samples and let people get a kind of a sneak peek of what they're going to look like? So here we are. First thing, a little note saying enjoy the noodles from her and the team. Thank you very much. I will. Then we've got a brochure showing all the different varieties. Looks like there's 6 of them. Cool. I use these a lot. These are the single or the multi reusable shopping bag. Thank you. Cool. A t-shirt. No worries. Eat happy. Let's see if it fits. Cool. It does. Thank you. Oh wow. What's this? It's like a little notebook. Very cool. And a couple of pens. Oh man, I'm always out of pens. This is perfect, thanks. And now, of course, the main reason for the box. A box of noodles. Let's crack this open. Alright. So their noodles come in these kind of like latte style cups. See what we got here. We've got Dragonfire vegetables. This one's Tai Chi chicken. Hong Kong street beef. One thing I didn't mention yet is that they use freeze-dried veggies and meats in these things, and that definitely gives them a more authentic and really nice fresh taste. Warrior fighting shrimp. Zen garden vegetables. And this sounds good. Coconut chicken laksa. Well, thank you very much to everybody over at Mr. Lee's for shooting all this great stuff over. I'm really looking forward to giving these a try. And yeah, these will be available, it sounded like around May in the US. So, very cool. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.